And it looks like our Frozen surprise box has reloaded with our little Shopkin collection. So let's see what else we have. Whoa, that is a lot more than we had before. Let's see what else we have. What other cutie cars do we have? Heartbreaker. This is Heartbreaker. And there's the hearts. Super cute. I love it. And you can see right there, our passenger is saying, I love you. Hello. So cute. I love these little buggies. We've got the stars on the wheels. And the cute little face. And the hearts. That is awesome. So let's see what stickers we have to design this cutie car. More hearts. So that's for side A, which would be on the right side of the car if you were looking for the front. Very cute. Super cute, guys. Super cute. And we'll see who else is in our surprise box. Orange Rush. And it is very orange. Whoa, look at that little citrus friend we have in there. He is super cool and super fruity. Yum. Let's take a look. Hello. We've got the stars on the tires. And an open roof. Really cool. Let's design him. All right. Side A. And as you can see, side A is just straight across. Very cool. And side B. Awesome! That is a cool car. So cute. All right, let's see what else we have in our surprise box. Sunny Sedan. Oh wow, this is so cute. Look at that, not only is she winking, but she also has surprise hearts on the top. And 2 heart passengers in the car. Very cute. And I love this bright pink. Matches so well with the teal. So let's design the car. Super cute! Heart sunglasses. This is for side A. Gonna need some sunglasses for all that sun out there. Riding in the sunny sedan. And we'll move on to the next. Looks like we have another orange rush car. This time, our orange rush is a lighter orange with yellow accents rather than with the lime green accents. So here we have the same style car, but we have different interiors and different wheels, and we will see what kind of decorations we've got for our second little buddy here. Oh, and it looks like we're also going to put orange on him too. Orange on a sunny day. What else do we have in our surprise box? Another heartbreaker too. Look at this. So cool. This time our heartbreaker is purple. Our last heartbreaker was teal with pink, and now we have a purple with blue and darker purple accents. Super cute. Let's see. Oh, let's take a look at him. I love you. That's what he says in there. Here. Very cute. Same for the other side. Side B. We're going to go on the back way. Heartbreaker in this collection, and he really is a heartbreaker. Look at that cutie. Okay, and the next prize is Speedy Sparkles. The second Speedy Sparkles of the collection. Cutie Pie winking at us. Got a dark pink with purple accents. Yellow headlights. Cutie Pie butterfly on the inside. design matches the color of the car. Cute sparkles. Super cute Speedy Sparkles. And here is the other Speedy Sparkles that we opened up from the other surprise box. Super cute. Look at the differences here. Very cute. And last but not least, we've got another Sunny Sedan. And this time our Sunny Sedan is all purple with super hot pink accents. We've got hot pink tires, cute little sunglasses inside the car and on top of the car. Super cute. These are on the back tire. Super cute. And that is all we have for the Shopkins Cutie Car collection. See if we can fit them all in here. And you can even pair them up with their buddies.